Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz. I will continue my lesson for the topic redox reactions. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be define redox in terms of electron transfer. Here's the summary of last lesson. The reactions in which both reduction and oxidation reactions are occurring are called redox reactions. Oxidation is either gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Reduction is either gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. Now look at this periodic table and recall the concept of valency. Let me write here valency. This will help you in predicting the charges on the ions. We know that group 1 carries +1 charge. This group carries +1 charge. Group 2 +2. Group 3 +3. Group 4 plus -4. Group 5 -3. Group 6 -2. Group 7 -1. Group 8 does not carry any charge. We know that they have complete valence shell, so they do not form any compounds either ionically or covalently. What about transient metal, which are at the center of the periodic table? These are the transition metals. We know that except zinc, they have variable charges. So we will predict by looking at the attached ion. Zn is the only one which carries +2 charge. For the other one, we have to look at the compound. Let's continue our lesson. This is another definition of oxidation. Oxidation can also be defined as loss of electron or electrons. Look at the equation. 2Cl minus gives Cl2 and electrons are released. 2 electrons are lost. Here Cl minus is undergoing oxidation by loss of electrons. If you look at the equation, then you will see that Cl on reactant side carries minus charge. You see the minus charge, this is the minus charge. And after losing electrons, it will form Cl2. On the product side, Cl2 does not carry any charge. So on the product side, we will consider Cl2 carrying 0 charge. Let me write 0 like this. Remember this point, when there is no charge either on the atom, molecule or compound, it means there must be 0 charge on it. Reduction can also be defined as gain of electron or electrons. In the above case, you will see sodium plus means it's carrying plus charge on reactant side, and after gaining 1 electron, it forms Na. It has gained 1 electron. It is reduction as Na plus has gained an electron. Again, there is no charge on the atom of sodium, which means it is 0. Now let's look at this equation and solve this one in terms of loss and gain of electrons. Here Cl2 carry 0 charge. In case of KBr, although there is no charge on the whole compound, but according to the valency concept, K carries +1 and Br -1. Let me write -1 +1. But Cl on the product side, in case of KCl, K carries +1 and Cl carries -1 charge. What about Br2? It does not carry any charge, which means it is 0. Let me write 0 here. So in this equation, Cl2 has gained electron and Br has lost electron. reduction Cl2 has gained electrons. This is oxidation. KBr has lost electron, or we can write Br minus has lost an electron to give Br2. Cl2 is reduced to KCl and KBr is oxidized to Br2. Now try to solve this one using the above concept. Here we will calculate the charge on Cu in CuO in this way. Now I am calculating the charge on Cu. Let me put X here. So we'll add the charge of oxygen, which is -2, looking at the periodic table. The whole compound does not carry any charge, so I will write 0 here. Therefore, the charge on the CO will be +2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2. So the charge on Cu is +2. Zn carry 0 charge. I've already explained on the product side, the charge on Zn will be calculated by taking -2 for oxygen and 0 for the whole compound. We will get +2. We will also know that Zn carries +2 charge. It carries fixed valency. Therefore, Zn has undergone oxidation by losing 2 electrons. Zn is oxidized to ZnO because it has lost 2 electrons. CuO is reduced to Cu because it has gained 2 electrons. You can give any one of the following reasons for reduction oxidation. It states that CuO is reduced to Cu because CuO has lost oxygen. You can even write lost oxygen here. Or Cu has gained 2 electrons, I have already mentioned. And Zn is oxidized to ZnO because it has gained oxygen. Let me write gained oxygen. For Zn. Zn reacts with aqueous nickel 2 nitrate. This is a reaction equation. Zn solid, NiNO3 whole twice aqueous, ZnNO3 aqueous, NiS. By referring to the equation, explain why this is a redox reaction. Zn has lost 2 electrons. And Ni has gained 2 electrons. So Zn is oxidized and Ni is reduced In summary, oxidation can also be defined as loss of electrons. Reduction can also be defined as gain of electrons. Thanks for watching. Click like and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel.